Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so today I brought my friend Nini back on the show, and if you haven't seen my last video with me and him doing his dance from Make Her Dance music video, he's a good friend of mine that just started making music, and he made some really good content. So if you want to check out his stuff, I'll put a link below. Please do that and also subscribe to his channel. So guys, please welcome Nini.
What's up, bro?
Thank you so much for coming back on our show.
The pleasure is mine. Thank you, bro.
Alright, so if you didn't see my last video, I mentioned that Eddie is a really good dancer. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask Eddie what his top favorite 3 moves are, and then we're gonna break it down for you guys. So Eddie, what is your first favorite move?
The first one, let's just get right into it.
Yeah.
You're gonna go like this and like that. So should I show you something?
Alright.
Yeah, so it's just like right, back, right. And then I'm gonna go to the other side where I go left, back, left. Exactly. Alright, so let's take it slow again. Just the legs. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right, left, left. I remember to lean forward on the first step. 5.
And you're doing 3 jumps, right? Basically. You're not just stepping.
One
Yeah?
time.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, and 8. Jump.
No, actually it's 2 jumps, and 1 step, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, okay.
Step. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right, left.
Alright.
Exactly. Should we take the arms with?
Yeah.
The arms goes like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's just going to the side and slowly going down, and then to the side and slowly going down. At the same time, the legs. 5, 6, 7, and slow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes.
Alright. Okay.
So, should we take it fast?
Yeah, let's try that.
5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, maybe a bit slower than that.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
One last time?
Yeah. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And obviously, if you can do this, if you practice this enough, then you can just speed it up, because of course, the faster you do it, the better it looks.
Exactly.
Alright, that's the first move. So Eddie, what's your second favorite move?
My second step is more like smooth. You can dance it to a Chris Brown, an Asha song, or a Nini song, whatever you feel like.
Alright.
But yeah, the first step was kind of hip hop, but this one is more smooth, and you can add different flavors into it. But it's very simple. You're gonna start with kicking with your right leg, kick, and then you're gonna step back, and then you're gonna slide on the left leg and slide. Yeah, so let's move forward again. 5, 6, 7, and slow. Kick right, step right, slide with the left, and go back. Exactly. So one more time. 5, 6, 7, and slow. Kick, step, slide. Nice. And you can do the exact same thing on the other side, where you kick left, step left, and slide on the right. Exactly. One more time. The left side. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Keep left, step left, slide right.
And just a small thing, if you guys can see, when you slide backwards, just remember to bend the other legs. The more you bend, the further you can get back. Yeah, so if you're up here, you can't reach that far, but if you're down here, you can reach further. And also you can make a jump out of it. Alright, maybe we should just show them from the side.
Yeah. 5. We start with the right.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, and 8. Right, slide. Yes. Now the other side. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left, slide.
Alright.
So and at the same time, you can freestyle with your arms. You decide whatever you want to do. You can point when you slide.
Can you just show us an example, just for them to...
Alright, so should I do it the normal example?
Yeah, just what you would do with your arms.
It depends. I like to cross and point. So let me show you. I'll say right. I say boom, boom, points. Boom, boom, points. Yes, I can make it smooth, like you can do it your own way. Some people like to touch their heads at the same time. Yeah, it depends on how you want to do it. Some people like to point and others like to touch their heads, like whatever you feel like.
Could you just show us one example for them to see?
Yes, exactly. I'm gonna start with the point. I'm gonna do like ha, ha, ha. Yes.
Alright.
And with the head, it's exactly the same concept. Boom, boom, smooth.
Yeah. Okay, so wait. You kick, and then when you slide, you do either the point or you do this. Okay.
Exactly. So I'm just gonna go around my head or fix my head. Fix my jacket. Yeah.
Hey.
Exactly.
Oh,
so, whatever you feel like, you decide.
All right. Maybe let's try and practice this one.
All right. So slow. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kick and slide.
Yeah.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Touch and point.
And I also noticed that before you made a jump, so a different way of doing it. So far you've shown us kick and slide, but you also did jump and slide, right?
Exactly. So maybe let's turn this way so we can show them how to do it. It's like I jump on the first one, like when I showed you, I just say kick, step, slide. But if you want to make it harder, you can jump on the first one. So I jump on my left leg, I jump and slide.
All right.
So that's the
sprinkle on the top. All right, let's try that again with the jump and maybe the hands also.
Yeah, the normal tempo.
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, and 8. Jump and slide.
One last time.
Yeah, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Jump and slide.
Oh. One last time. I just want to do this one.
All right. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Jump and slide.
All right. So, what's your third favorite move, Eddie?
I call it the wow.
Oh, I love that. Wow. Yeah. So how do you do that move?
It's very simple. I start by, there's different ways of doing it. You can throw it up and then grab it and then hit the wall.
So it's kind of a fun thing to do while you're listening to music or if you're at a party.
Yeah.
Right? You're throwing something up and then people are like, why is he throwing it up?
Exactly. And then you pick it up and you
wow. Love it. Okay, so how do you do this?
Yeah. The hard part is the ending, is to stop it with control. Okay. But the easy part is to throw it up and then grab it, and then while you're on your way down, that's where you're gonna hit the wall and stop it. And then you can add some small wiggle. Yeah, exactly.
Alright.
Jiggly jiggly down. Yes.
But what do you do with your arms?
Yeah, it's kind of some kung fu karate stuff. You can mix it around and stop it, but just like...
So they're doing opposite circles, right?
Exactly. So there's different ways of doing it. You can do the kung fu 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. And it's always like 1, 2, 3.
Okay, Eddie, could you explain us how to do the arms?
Yeah, the arms are kind of kung fu. So
right.
You just gotta go like left on the right side, right arm on the left side, and go slowly down and hit the wall.
So you go up, up, and then down on the last one.
Exactly. So you gotta go right, left, and stop. Exactly.
Okay.
So very slow again. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left arm, right side, right arm, left side, and then slowly down and hit the wall.
And what really gives the effect is when you do this wiggling with your head. So just think about when you're saying no. That could help.
Exactly.
Alright, let's try again.
5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, ha.
Yeah,
that was good. Okay.
So maybe you show the different version.
Yes, there is different versions of doing it. There is also the one where you throw. Remember we talked about it earlier. Like you can throw and then surprise the people. Wow.
And this time you only do one arm, right?
Exactly.
Whoa.
I go directly into business.
So it's the right arm and the left arm is up here. Yeah.
Exactly. So
Okay.
you just gotta swing around.
Okay. Maybe we should try to say we throw up on 5 and then we do it on 8.
Yeah.
Or 1.
So we got
5,
like
6, 7, 8, 1.
5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1.
Alright.
Yeah.
Let's try it. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. One at a time.
Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Alright guys, that's the wall move, one of Eddie's favorite moves.
Yeah. But actually, I kind of make my own. I call it the double wall. It's
Alright, he made his own version, Nini wall.
Exactly.
Okay, how do you do that one?
But this one is like you gotta throw your thing, the ball, at the same time with the air.
Double ball.
Double balls, exactly. Then you gotta go back and hit it with your elbows.
Okay, so you do it to both sides.
Yes.
Wow.
The double wall. Yeah, so you can like play with it. Just boom. Exactly, the
Oh.
double wall. So you can, whatever you feel like, play with your oranges, and then when you feel ready to hit it hard, exactly, that's how you do it.
So you go down and low.
Exactly.
Alright.
Boom. The double wall.
Actually, it looks better like you do it, but just take a step back.
When I take it back and then
Yeah.
hit it.
Alright.
Okay. So let's take it very slow. That's it. Throw it up and hit. And remember the wiggle, give the wiggle.
The no.
The no, that's a nice one to remember.
Okay, let's try again.
Yeah, so 5, 6, 7, 9, slow, and throw it up and hit.
Alright guys, that's it. That was the top 3 favorite moves of Eddie Nini, my very good friend who just started making music. So if you are into music, hip-hop music, then go check out his music video and link to his channel down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.
Peace.